In today's video, I am going to teach you how to edit an existing website on GoDaddy. Start by logging into your GoDaddy account. Once you are signed in, go to the top of the page, click your profile icon, and select My Products from the menu. This will take you to the area where all of your GoDaddy services and websites are listed. Next, find the website that you want to update. When you locate it, click Manage or Edit Site next to that website. This will open the GoDaddy Website Builder dashboard, where you can make changes to your site content and design. Give the editor a moment to load fully before you begin. Once the website editor is open, navigate to the page that you want to edit. If your site has multiple pages, make sure you are on the correct one before changing anything. After that, click directly on the text section you want to modify. A text editor will appear on the screen, allowing you to update the wording as needed. Enter your new text carefully and review it for accuracy. If necessary, you can also adjust the formatting. For example, you can change the font size, update the text color, or modify the alignment so the section matches the rest of your website. These tools make it easy to keep your design clean and consistent. If you also want to update an image, click on the image you would like to change. You will then have the option to replace it. You can choose a new image from your existing media library, or upload a new file directly from your device. Once the image is added, make sure it looks correct and fits well within the page layout. After making your text and image changes, take a moment to review everything on the page. Check that the edits appear exactly the way you want them to. This is an important step because it helps you catch any formatting issues or content mistakes before the update goes live. When you are satisfied with the changes, click Save to store your edits inside the website builder. Saving keeps your work secure, but it does not make the update visible to visitors yet. To make the changes live on your website, click Publish. Once published, your updated content will be visible to anyone who visits the site. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.